Wait a minute. Okay, now, so go again. Sorry, it stopped recording. I hope this goes through. Go ahead, start again. Soya.
I just want to say that you are not the only one who worry about the future, and now you have a goal, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. And life finds a way. So, and thank you for your dream.
Now, don't tell her what to do. Like you don't have to worry about it anymore. But she told us that after the dream, something happened to her, and now she's not worried about it anymore. You see what I mean? We say it that way. We just tell her what she told us, because we're not some superior authority giving her information. Okay? Okay, Soyo?
Okay.
Okay. You did a good job. It's just the way you say it, it matters, because the dreamer is in control here. Who would like to go next?
Sir.
Yeah.
Some of us had tell their some words, and should we repeat it again?
I think you should, because the connection, our internet connection broke down. This has never happened. I'm always afraid it's going to happen, and it happened. Repeat it again. This is Michelle.
Yes. All right.
Go ahead.
But Paula help you to record us. Yes.
Excuse
No.
me? What'd you say?
Michelle used her computer to record the feedback of Ivan and Lisa and Michelle.
Yes, some part that you are missing.
You recorded that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so send that to me. I don't know how to incorporate it, but let's let them do it again now. I hope
Okay.
this comes through. I don't know how to do this. I don't have skills in this, and when I do it normally, it works automatically. Now my cell phone blinked out on us, and I'm sort of lost. Go ahead, Michelle. Did you want to say it again?
Okay, but I have quite long sentence.
Or I think this is
I can repeat it. Okay.
okay. I think maybe it's time for other people, because we are almost cost more than 20 minutes.
Oh, sure. You guys can go first.
Yes.
Can you stay with us, Michelle, and talk later?
Yeah, I don't have any class.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead. So Paula, you want to go now?
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you.
It's okay. I'm sorry this just broke down. We've never happened before. It was
Okay,
such a beautiful.
When for Sunny come back.
Sunny, you're not there? Here she is.
She was moving.
Sunny, are you back with us? Just give her a minute. Boy, this is a problematic internet connection.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
back.
Sunny, thank you. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Okay.
Paula.
I'm kind of envy those people who are good at drawing, and I think it is a gift for you. So keep it. You won't regret it.
Don't give her advice.
Okay, I think it's a gift for those people who are good at drawing, and for the cold people that your friend told you, I think I know what you feel, because some people also told me that I'm a little bit cold, but we don't. I know what you feel, and we don't want to tell our secrets, because that person or that guy is not the one that we want to be open, because we don't want to get hurt. So that's that person, or you are not the one that we trust. So I know what you feel, and however, I have tried to someone I trust. Not maybe they are not my close friend, but I trust them, like the dream group, and I think the result is good. And nice to know you more, and I heard what you want to say, and you are not alone. So good that you can share your dream to us.
Paula, do you want to just sum up what she told us the dream was about? Because we may have lost everything that went before. I just don't know with this breakdown here.
Oh, what Sunny said that she
You
likes.
say you
You
talk to her, not to me, okay?
I thought to those people who don't know. Or due to your dream, you said that you like drawing, and I think drawing is a gift from the God or something else. So I think it is good to have this kind of skill. And you mentioned that your friend told you that you are the cold person because you don't tell the secret. And I know what you feel. And I think it's not your fault or something else. It's like the person is not the one that we trust and we don't want to get hurt. So I know what you feel. And I think it is not necessary or not that important to only share some secrets to close friends. Okay, or it can be only some people that we trust that the dream group. So sometimes it will make us feel better to share something to others, not just holding that inside. And sometimes it's not feel good.
Okay.
And that's all.
Thank you, Paula. Who wants to go next? Now, Michelle's sound went off. We have all kinds of catastrophes today. We have a beautiful dream and a very brilliant dreamer with a brilliant group, and all kinds of catastrophes are happening with the computer and the network and everything. Who would like to go next that can speak?
I would like to go next.
Go ahead. This is Selena.
Sharon.
Sharon, go ahead, Sharon.
And Sunny, I want to say thank you for sharing your dream. When I graduated from high school, one of my English teachers said, there is a path in the passion world. So as we follow our passion, we can pass many difficulties. And your dream reminds me of that. And I believe that already works to you. Thank you.
This is beautiful. I've never heard that. So in the word passion is the word pass.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Who would like to speak next?
Me.
Go ahead. This is Hannah. Okay, go ahead.
Sunny, thank you for sharing your trip and congratulations for finding what your dream means. And I think your dream is really wonderful because your dream helps you to know the real you and help you to find out what you want to do and help you to find a new goal for you.
Okay, thank you. And who would like to go next?
You guys hear me clearly?
Who's speaking?
I'm Xin.
Yeah, your microphone works.
Yeah, because sorry for my bad and old earphone. I have changed new one.
This is Shinny, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell us, tell her what you saw her do. It was quite miraculous. This was such a complicated dream, and she went right through it. And with all you people's help, she was able to find out something quite special. Want to say something?
So I want to share what I heard and what is my feeling about this dream. And first, Sunny, I think you keep finding your goal and you keep asking others. Maybe you want someone's advice or someone's help, and you even go to have a psychological test. But at the end, you are disappointed because you find that you cannot understand yourself by others or by psychological tests. You can only know yourselves by yourself. Yeah, that's what I think.
In other words, you're saying the psychological test doesn't pertain to her, and what others think doesn't pertain to her. But when you say know yourself by yourself, what do you mean? How can she know herself?
Like by the dream.
By the dream, and how else?
And like take the dream to the class, and we will help her to figure out what's the meaning of the dream.
I
She
think
will-
there's something else too. So I hope someone else will tell us what the other thing is. Thank you very much, Shini. Who's next here?
Can do next.
Is this Michelle?
Yes, it's me.
Hey, you came back again. Hello, welcome. Tell us.
So first of all, thank you for sharing your wonderful dream. And where am I? Oh. And when I heard you say, you know what, you don't know what you want to do, but you know what you like to do, and you are doing it. I feel like I find someone just like me. Like I don't have any goals. I don't set any goals either. I just follow what I like, and because no one knows how our future would be like. And I like your kind of person. You don't seem to be influenced by people or society. You do what you like and what makes you happy. And I think that's the most important thing, not about how successful you are. Because we cannot measure how successful is, and you just enjoy the process. Yeah.
What you're saying is the famous words of Joseph Campbell. And he, for all his books and all of his videos and everything, he always said, follow your passion. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, kinda. And can I add some more words?
Yes, yes.
From the last 2 weeks, from my sharing my dream experience that I did before, I actually had written some few dreams before, but I didn't want to take them to the dream class because most of them somehow show some connection to the person that I don't want to talk about. And because I thought it was privacy thing and kind of embarrassing to share. And last 2 weeks, I was so confident to take this dream because I thought it had nothing to do with him. But surprisingly, it's entirely about him. And however, at the end, I don't think it's embarrassing. It turns out fun. And the most interesting is the last part when you all gave me some words. And I realized that you all actually don't care about my absurd dream and or my relationship or my family and or my background. What you actually see is me, like myself, and that's nothing to be embarrassing about. And I think it's fun to know how different people actually see me from how I see myself. And I think it's a rare opportunity to have this dream group. It's not easy to find a dream group leader like we have, who's very great at put our feelings into words and great at helping us digging out our dreams meaning. And the best thing is to have a cool dream group members. And I think I wouldn't make it without your help. And so thank you. And if you have dreams, I think you should take them here. Thank
Michelle,
you.
thank you very much. Thank you for affirming what we're about here, our group and everything. Thank you so much. Let me see, who's next here to tell Sunny?
Me, can I repeat?
Yes, you can. Now, who this is?
Yvonne.
Yvonne, there you are. Okay, go ahead. Repeat, because it all broke down. We lost. Let me make an announcement here in the middle of it. What happened is I was connecting with Zoom through my cell phone's and my cell phone blinked out, and I didn't think I could get it back, but it came back. Everybody waited here, and Hannah, you said something, Hannah, right, while it was blinked out. And who's out there?
Me and Yvonne already said the words that we wanted to say, and I failed to record what we said.
Well, it's okay. I wish it hadn't happened, but it came through. Now, who wants to speak next? Who is speaking?
Yvonne.
Okay, go ahead.
I think it's normal for people who doesn't confidence about themselves, always think that they are not good enough. I personally feels that I'm not good enough too, and haven't found what kind of ability or passion do I have. But I think it's okay because everything takes time. And you did a great job today. Thank you for sharing. And also, I'm happy and very thankful to each person from this class that helped me to find out the meaning of my dream. I learned many things from this dream course, especially when people start sharing about their dream. They share about their daily life, personal life, and problem. I learned a lot from you guys, and I love it when we share our thoughts to each other, know more about each other, and last but not least, we also know ourselves better than before. Thank you.
Thank you for saying such a beautiful thing. I'm really, really proud to have you people. Now, who's next here? Who would like to speak up? Because some people have to go.
No more.
All of us have already finished.
Lisa left?
Yes, Lisa had already left.
Okay,
Lisa and Selena had already.
so Sunny.
What?
Sunny,
Yes.
you're the dreamer. You have the last word. Now, I don't know if I lost everything that went before, but at least we have this. It's still recording. And you want to say anything, the last word? What this dream showed you, or the people, what they told you?
Like maybe I just need to follow what I want and what I love. I don't need to worry about that. And I'm sorry, it's too late. And
It's going down too late. You have to
Okay.
go somewhere. You have to be somewhere. Oh, you're
No.
sorry that it took so long. That's my fault because my cell phone and computer blinked out. I'm just so happy we caught a little piece of this. I didn't give my orchestration, but I think you did a wonderful job.
yeah,
You know, never underestimate an introvert. You know, you did a wonderful job. You have powerful skills, and everybody in this class did a wonderful job with this difficult dream. What you told us, I don't know if it came through in the beginning or we lost it, but after the dream, something happened. You said you found out that you got into the university in Japan.
yeah,
And at that university, you told us that you can study art.
yes,
And you told us that you tried to apply to a university here in Taiwan where you could study art, but they thought your grades were not good enough.
yes,
Well, Einstein's grades were not good enough. You know, I think his physics teacher, one of those math teachers, told him, they called him the dumbest person he ever found. And it was Einstein who couldn't even get a job as a high school physics teacher. He failed to get the job. And he's the one who discovered E equals mc squared, that changed all the rules of physics for everyone in the world. So never let someone tell you, you know, that your grades aren't good enough for what your passion is. I think you discovered that. And I think you did a wonderful job. Thank you for this dream. Such an important dream.
thank you. Thank you.
Now I'm gonna end it now. And I hope we have one little piece at least of this to go forward with. Now, see you all next week. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.